ए बडीज। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं बायोलॉजी के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और मोस्ट प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चंस जो तुम्हारे एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं। ये रहा तुम्हारा पहला क्वेश्चन। ए प्रोटोजोआ कैरिड बाय फीमेल एनोफिलिस मस्क्यूटो रिप्रोड्यूस बाय व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेथड्स? बाइनरी फिजन, बडिंग, फ्रैगमेंटेशन और मल्टीफ्यूज फिजन। देखो, द प्रोटोजोआ व्हिच इज कैरिड बाय द फीमेल मेल एनोफिलिस मस्क्यूटो, दैट प्रोटोजोआ नेम इज प्लाज्मोडियम, and plasmodium reproduces by the method that is known as multiple fission. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. A placenta functions like which of the followings? Vein, artery, villi, and none of these. Listen, placenta always function like a villi which absorbs the nutrients from mother's body and transports it to the baby. Okay, the correct answer is option C, that is villi. Next important question, scientific name of pea plant. Mimosa pudica, Passion sativum, Magnifera indica, and none of these. This is the important question that is Mendel used for his experiment, and the correct answer is option B, that is Passion sativum. एक और जिन्होंने भी मेरा फिजिक्स का मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन नहीं देखा है, ये वीडियो जाके देख लो एक बार. सेक्स इज जेनेटिकली डिटरमाइंड एंड इट इज नॉट वैलिड फॉर व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स? ह्यूमंस, डॉग, स्नेल्स एंड कैट्स. किसके पास है वो जो एक्स एक्स वाई वाई देख के बता देते हो ना, मेल और फीमेल, किसके केस में वो काम नहीं करता है? And the correct answer is snail, because snail individuals can change its sex, indicating that sex is not genetically determined in them. Which of the following does not require energy to maintain body temperature? Birds, frog, dogs or human beings? ह्यूमन बींग्स को तो एनर्जी चाहिए बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करने के लिए. The correct answer is frog, because it is a cold blooded animal. Okay. Cell in the human blood that is lacking nucleus: WBC, RBC, bone cell, and none of these. Which of the following does not contains nucleus? The correct answer is RBC, and the benefit of this, it can carry more oxygen. Okay. Which of the following is fight or flight hormone? Insulin, adrenaline, testosterone, and progesterone. कौन सा हार्मोन? And the correct answer is adrenaline hormone. Which of the following is the both exocrine and endocrine gland? Pituitary gland, thymus gland, pancreas, and adrenal gland. This is the most important question. And the correct answer is option C, that is pancreas. When it directly injects the hormone insulin into the blood, then it acts as endocrine gland, and it acts as exocrine gland when it secretes pancreatic juice by the pancreatic duct. Okay. And another two which acts as both endocrine and exocrine are ovaries and testes. The ratio of number of chromosomes in human zygote and sperm: 2:1, 3:1, 1:2, and 1:3. Which of the following is the correct answer of this? Correct answer is option A, that is 2:1, because the zygote contains 46 chromosomes but sperm only contains 23 chromosomes. Part of seed which grow and develops into a root on germination is cotyledon, plumule, follicle, and radicle. Which of the following? And your correct answer is option D, that is radicle. HIV virus destroys which of the cells of the body? RBC, platelet, WBC, and nucleus. Your correct answer is it destroys the WBC. Average gestation period of the human is 36 weeks, 38 weeks, 32 weeks, and none of these. And the correct is 38 week. Sperm get temporarily stored at vas deferens, epididymis, testis, and scrotum. Temporarily stored at option B, that is epididymis. Stalk and scion that are involved in the artificial propagation method that is known as tissue culture, layering, grafting, and cutting. And the correct answer is option C, that is grafting. Which of the following fungus that is used to make antibiotic drug? Rhizophos, penicillium, mucor, or mushroom? Antibiotic drug that is penicillin. Penicillin is made from penicillium. The timing and amount of hormone released by various glands that are controlled by feedback mechanism, brain, spinal cord, and none of these. All these are controlled by feedback mechanism, which is an inbuilt system in our body. Vomiting is controlled by pons, cerebellum, medulla, and midbrain. These are involuntary actions that are controlled by option C, that is medulla. Thinking and memory is controlled by bone, cerebellum, cerebrum or midbrain? Because thinking part of brain that is correct is option C, that is cerebrum. Automatic adjustment of pupil according to intensity of life, that is an example of spinal reflex, cerebral reflex, voluntary movement or midbrain. So this is the example of cerebral reflex. Option B is correct answer. Closing of stomata is due to which of the following hormone of the plant? Auxin, everlin, cytokinin or abscisic acid. This is due to option D, that is abscisic acid. Which of the following has a longer intestine? Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores or none of these? A longer intestine is required to digest cellulose and cellulose is eaten by herbivores. So option B is correct answer. The flow of lymph is which type? Unidirectional, bidirectional, multidirectional and none of these. The flow of lymph is always unidirectional. Option A is correct answer. That is from tissue to heart. What helps for the coagulation of blood in a cut? WBC, RBC, platelets and none of these. Always platelet help for the coagulation of blood. Option C is correct answer. Average breathing rate of an adult human is how many times per minute? 15 to 18, 12 to 15, 72 to 74 and none of these. Average breathing rate is 15 to 18 times, so option A is correct answer. Amount of energy absorbed by plant for photosynthesis 10%, 100%, 1%, 2%. 10% rule is not applicable for this, only 1% energy is absorbed. तो फ्रेंड्स वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कर देना।